Welcome back to Stocklabs. We just wrapped up January 2023, so first month of the year in the books, and it is time to check in on Fly's quant strategy. Just a reminder, this portfolio only rotates stocks once a month, basically the first trading day of the month. Fly will come in, just check in the Stocklabs quant screener for which stocks meet the fundamental criteria that he's looking for. And then final selection is by Stocklabs advanced algorithm to take the top 20 and place them in the portfolio. Then portfolio doesn't get touched until the following month. So it's a pretty hands-off strategy, about, let's say, 20, 30 minutes max of work a month. And that's pretty much how it goes. So for the month and actually the year so far, the same thing, up 5.3%, which is pretty good on its own. Any month that you return 5% is going to be, you can't be too disappointed in that. The market overall did slightly better. The Qs were up 10.5%. S&P was up 6%. So S&P up like a few ticks more than the portfolio. Dow was only up 3%, 2.5%, 3%. And IWM was up 9 or 10%, like 10% almost, matching the NASDAQ almost. So it was kind of the perfect FinTwit month for the market. Had all the beaten down QQQ tech stuff that people have been, for the most part, buying the whole way down all of 2022. That stuff finally put in a good bounce to start this year. And then IWM also has a lot of the smaller speculative stuff that people are always playing and have been heavily shorted, by the end of, or had been heavily shorted by the end of 2022. So that stuff all took off. As far as Fly's portfolio here, top performers got Albemarle up 32%, Tidewater up 27%, sort of the next cohort down. We've got some energy stocks in here. The portfolio is not as heavy energy as it was at times in 2022, but it still likes some things. And then the rest, these were all sort of like market perform here. Calmain, okay, eggs have been in the news. I mean, everyone's freaking out that eggs cost whatever eggs cost now. And on the downside, okay, underperformer, Enphase is kind of surprising, down 13% because the NASDAQ really blasted off. Enphase is kind of one of these solar, alt energy, momentum tech stocks. So for it to go the other way from NASDAQ is a little bit surprising. And then the rest were not too bad. Scorpio was down 9%, but then all of these were marginally red, and the rest all green. So that brings the performance to still sort of working its way back up to these end of 2022 levels. Off to a good start though for the year. New allocation will be out February 1st, usually sometime before noon Eastern. Fly will go in and make these rotations, and if you're in Stocklabs, you will get those in real time. So the rest of you will have to tune in March to find out how February went. But so far, so good for the year, 5.3%. Hopefully Fly keeps it up. And we'll be back in March to recap our progress. So that's all from me. Hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and talk to you later.